Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
I think that what stands out for me, looking at a film like this, is how mental illness not only impacts the individual, but everybody that they come into contact with as well. And this was a situation where a woman who had served the country and had difficult, to say the least, experiences while away, and trying to transition back into civilian life was extremely difficult. And if she was to come, and I've actually, this is so interesting because I've actually had a couple of clients who suffered from PTSD, military PTSD, and you know, part of it is psychoeducation, because although they know that it exists, it's very difficult initially to accept the fact that they are suffering from it. At least that was my experience with the clients that I've had, because even within the military, they also know that PTSD is a illness that can occur because of being in the military, but it's not really, at least from the soldiers that I've met with, it's not really accepted as something that people suffer from. It's known, but it's not really accepted. So to actually take on that, take on the fact that that might be something you're suffering from, makes you less of a soldier. So initially, it was really about helping the client understand what it was that they were suffering from, why they were suffering from it, and then from there begin the treatment in order to help reduce the amount of suffering that they were going through. Also, there's a point to bring the family in as well, so that they can be educated on what's happening and how to treat it. Some clients did go the medication route in order to help with nightmares and flashbacks and anxiety and depression. And then others just did a lot of the clinical work, and it was able to help them as well. So every treatment's going to be different. It's going to be based on the client's needs, but initially it almost always starts with educating them on exactly what's going on with them.